Hello Humble Bakers! Day 1 ng ating croissant workshop here sa Davao City. Maaga nga tayo pumunta sa venue. Good thing at 2 to 3 minutes walk lang yung hotel ko going to Davao Bakers Studio. Nakita ko nga yung isa sa mga pinakasikat na bakery dito sa Davao, which is yung Rose Bake Shop. Meron pa silang 2 pesos na pandesal. Pagdating ko sa studio wala pang student. So nag-prep lang ako ng konti at nag-breakfast na rin. Exactly 8:50 nag-start na nga yung ating workshop. And I have 6 students for today. Then this is me showing them how to do the lamination. Then nag-open na nga yung coffee shop sa tabi ng studio, kaya nag-order na ako ng coffee. So ito yung first coffee ko for the day. Then around 11:30 nag-early lunch na nga kami. Here is one of my student na nag-purchase ng Unox oven, flexing her oven na sobrang dali daw makapag-bake ng brownies at pantay na pantay daw without the need to rotate the pan. Imagine coming from someone na nagbe-bake na for almost 40 years. Dito mo talaga malalaman yung real feedback ng mga veterans sa baking. Then we did the final cutting, shaping, and proofing. Around 3 p.m. we just had a snack and light conversations. Sobrang saya mag-workshop. And almost 5 p.m. na, and we're just waiting for a few croissants na ma-fully bake. And sobrang generous ng isang student ko at nanlibre pa siya ng coffee para sa lahat. Thank you so much, ma'am. The workshop lasted until 6 p.m. and before 6:30 p.m. Nag-uwian na sila. Sobrang aga natapos versus other class ko na natapos ng past 7 to 8 p.m. I have workshop again tomorrow for the second batch, and I hope maging kasing smooth rin ng today's workshop. So thankful na nasi-share ko yung mga knowledge ko sa iba't ibang students, not only in the Metro Manila but also here in Davao City. Yun lang, salamat!